Hi everyone, it's Lisa Riccadelli from Plasma Concepts coming to you today to talk about our air filtration system. This system is highly recommended, especially if you have a smaller place, but just for the air quality in the room. If you already have one, that's great. If you don't, you might want to consider purchasing one. You can go to our website or you can reach out to your rep directly. They can give you the information. But I do want to go over how it ships and how to set it up. It's very, very simple. So this is the unit that will come in the box. And in addition to the unit, you will get an accessory kit. So what you see here on the table will ship in the accessory kit box. So what you have is your plug that will connect. You can see in the back of our system here, it plugs right into the back of the machine, and then the other connects directly into the outlet in your wall. This is the tubing that has the filter attached to it. This is the additional tubing that you'll attach to your device. And this is the foot pedal. Most of us choose not to use it. If you decide to use the foot pedal, it does trigger the machine to shut off every minute. So you have to keep tapping it to get it to restart. That is the number one reason we choose not to use it. But just so that you see how it connects here in the back, you have a little screw in piece here. So you would be doing the opposite, obviously, by putting it on. You'll take this, it has the 3 little holes, you'll just kind of match it up in here, and then you'll screw it on. So it's all very, very, very simple. The other filter here, this hole that's in the back, is just a coolant. You'll feel warm air coming out of that as the machine is running, and it's just the internal fan keeping the system going cool. So this is the touch screen. This is your power button. So when you come in for the day and you're turning it on, if you unplug your equipment at the end of every night, you would plug it in. Then you would turn your main power button on. Then you'll see the screen. So this is the intensity of the vacuum itself. Most of the time you're just going to keep it up at 100. It's not overly forceful. It's not going to suck their skin in or anything. And then your timer, if you use the foot pedal, this will have to be tapped depending on the timing that you have it set. I prefer to keep my timer on 0, and then I can just hit the on-off button to coincide with it. This is your filtration system. Very easy. Goes exactly where it looks like it goes. Then you can just attach this on to the end, and this is the hose that I will attach to the top of my device. You want a Coban. So the Coban wrap that comes in your kit that adheres the protective sleeve on can also be used to just wrap this around so that when you're holding your device in your hand, your probe will come alongside of the tip of the filtration system. Down in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see that there is a little power switch. Touch screen, you're gonna touch it. When you see the color red, you can hear that slight humming, and now the air filtration system is working. So you can see it's strong enough to grab the plume, but it's not so painful or anything that it's gonna, really adhere to the skin. So when you are done with your treatment, whether it's, 30 minutes or an hour or you need a break, you just hit the now red button, off. Now you'll see that I had that stop delay set for 4 seconds. It's gonna count down 4 seconds and shut off. Depending on your preference, you may wanna give it 4 to 5 seconds just to let the last of the plume get, evacuated up into it. And that's it, very simple, just out of the box, plug it in, good to go. The other thing is, if you do not have a shelf or a table that is readily available, we do have these very nice medical grade tables, all stainless as you can see, and this will fit perfectly for this tabletop device. So you don't have to worry if you don't have a large piece of furniture or a shelf. This will easily, and then again, it makes it nice because it's on wheels and you can just kind of move it around depending on the treatment of the body part for your plasma treatments. So there you go. Any other questions, feel free to call us here.